Hi guys, I'm showing you this USB-C docking. So this is a very portable USB-C docking, like for these new laptops. This is these days you see like there are very less ports in the laptop itself, and you can use it in your USB-C to have multiple ports in it. So this one is really nice quality, have the micro SD card, two USB 3, two USB 2, HDMI, two USB C, and one LAN. So it's pretty nice combination with this. And this is the USB C. Then you can see the connector that you can use in your laptop. So I put it in my laptop with the multiple things, so USB 2.0, USB 3, and I put even the USB-C charging, and you can see that my laptop is getting charged with this docking. So it's pretty much nice that you can use it the way you want. You can add multiple monitors or drives and anything.